Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope that things are like amazing. Today, in this wonderfully amazing day, right, we're going to be drawing Chikorita. Okay, guys, this is my favorite, right? Like, this is like one of my favorite Pokemon. Actually, it's like my favorite starter. Now that I think about it, I love Chikorita. You know, I think that Chikorita, out of everything that you could probably pick as a starter, I think that Chikorita is probably the number one best for me. And that's not just because it's strong or anything like that. Of course, it's not that strong, but I mean, it's like, I don't know, it's just adorable. I think it's cool. So, we're going to be drawing this Chikorita, and it's from, actually, it's not a Pokemon card this time, guys. It is a manga picture page, right? So, if you know, Pokemon actually, like, puts out movies, they put out games, they put out trading cards, but they also put out these things called manga books, right? These books like anime, but like, it's like the anime, but it's like a book. So, and then you can kind of like read, it's like a comic book for like Japanese, right? So it's kind of cool. And there's like these manga pages, and each book has its own story. And Chikorita's, and I'm sure it's like in various pages. It's not just one story, right? But this is one of the pictures from that book. And you know, I might actually, if I do this more, I'm probably gonna like tell you guys where it's from and all that. But like this, I just, you know, I found this picture of Chikorita, and I thought it was like, hey, it's so cute, so I'm gonna draw it. So here we're going to go. We're going to draw this, and I hope that this helps you guys out as best as it possibly can. Let me know how it goes, guys, and let's do this. It should be quick, actually. This isn't too hard, I think. You guys ready? Cool? Okay, let's go. Alright, so to start off, guys, what you're pretty much going to do is going to draw like this hill shape. Obviously, you know, this is probably most likely going to be the head, right? That's usually what we start with. It's really just like a U. Leave that space in the middle there because, you know, that's just where the leaf is going to go. And then what you could do is start drawing the eyes, which is kind of a similar shape, right? It's another, it's like a thinner, I guess, shape, but it's still like a hill shape or like a half ovalish thing. And then you're going to do it to the other side as well. It's going to be that sort of shape going on right there. Perfect. And then what we can do is draw, okay, so inside the eyes, guys, you know how like I've told you guys this before, like sometimes I don't like finish lines. I kind of just leave like a little opening with those lines because it just looks cool. That's what we're gonna do with the lines, with the eyes. So like the bottom of the eyes, instead of completing like the actual line to the other side, leave one on this side like that, and then leave one on this side like that. It's not completely finished. I mean, you can totally finish it if you want to. I just, you know, that's usually how I do it. And then we can draw the eye itself, like, you know, the inside, like the iris. I don't know what you call that. Like, it's the actual eye, right? So you're going to draw one going out like this, and you're going to do the other one going out like this, because Chikorita's looking towards us, right? It's like looking at us. And we're going to draw the reflection-y thing, right? Like the little circles that go inside those circles that look like, you know, the shiny part of the Pokemon eye. It's going to be one oval, kind of like this. And then you're going to draw another oval, like that. And then you're good. Okay, you got your eyes. You're doing great. So now, what we can do is we're going to start drawing the leaf, which is a little tricky, but I mean, kind of just try to follow and see if you guys can do this. I think you should be able to. Start off by drawing like the stem part that like starts on its head, and it's going to go make this little like arrow shape, right? And then you're going to have something like that. And then what we can do is draw two lines. We're going to draw one on the left side and the right side to see how that leaf goes up, right? So draw one going up like this, then draw another one going up like this. That is a beautiful. Okay, so now that you have both of those, what we can do is try to draw, I guess, this part of the leaf. So what you can do is go out like this. Then we're going to bring it back kind of like that. So now you have the left side of the leaf, right? And it's like standing up, right? So what we're going to do is draw this other side over here, and it's going to be going out sort of kind of like this. It's a little tricky right now, but all you got to do is bring this middle part and then have it come over here, and you can kind of see what's happening now, right, guys? Which is pretty cool. Okay, so now that you have this, right, and now that you have this, what you can do is go towards the bottom part and start drawing a line. It's like towards that stem, right? And then you can kind of go out like that and then bring it on back, and then it goes right there. And then you have a leaf that's just hanging out on top, guys. Good job. Oh, but don't forget, we have to draw these lines on the leaves, like one right here and then one over here. These lines, this one's a little bit longer. these lines are pretty much for, you know, the leaf details, I guess you would say. They're kind of helpful. Okay, now that you got these lines over here, and you got your leaf done and good to go, we're going to draw this adorable smile that Chikorita actually has in this picture, right? So draw like a little wavy kind of smile. You know, Chikorita is pretty good with that. It's good for doing smiles like this. I love this Pokemon. Okay, so now we can draw its body, the body itself, right? We're not gonna do the necklace yet. The necklace we'll do last. Here's the body. We're gonna draw this part of the face down all the way here. Then you're going to bring it up, kind of like this, and it's going to be like a leg, right? So this is like the first leg, and then you can draw the belly, and it's gonna go out like this. And then we can draw another leg, and then it's going to go back up, kind of like this, and you're just going to leave that right there. Nice job. All right, good job, guys. I'm proud of you. Okay. Actually, yeah, really good job. So now what you can do is draw like the detail on the foot. So I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's like a nail or if it's like like it's just, you know, I'm not sure what this is, but you just draw this part, like a little curve right there, and then another curve on the other one because it has the same kind of sort of similar thing. Good job. Okay, so now we could draw the back going into the leg, and it's going to come over from over here with the eye. And don't forget, it's like a leg, right, guys? It's going to be like a leg, so it's going sort of kind of in as another leg since it's towards the back over there, and then just draw another one of those curves. I don't know. Again, I'm not sure what that is. I just know that it's part of the foot. Good job. And now we could just pretty much draw the necklace, guys. So start off with like a circle-ish kind of shape over here. Just try to copy the shape itself. It's not an exact circle, but it's like this one might be, but like the rest of them are going to be pointing out because it's kind of like thorn for it's like a necklace of thorns, right, or something like that. I'm not sure. So you got that. Now you can draw the other one over here, and it's going to be pointing out just like this, and it looks like that. And then you can draw another one, right? It's going to be over here, and you can draw it out like that, and it looks kind of like this. So you can kind of see how it's like pointing out a little bit, right, guys? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so then you're going to draw one on the left side of its body, and it's going to do this sort of kind of thing. And then you can draw another one over here. So do this like this, and it's pointing out just like that. And then you can draw one over here. Guys, this one's going to be under like the, I guess the lion for like the head over here. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's actually it. Okay. So there's Chikorita. It's, I guess I want to say that it was simple, guys, but I mean, you know, everyone struggles in different things. So let me know how this went for you guys. I really hope that this helped. I hope that this was something that you guys were able to do, or at the very least, that's something that you guys enjoyed. This, I don't know, this was the first time we ever did like a manga sort of picture, so like, I actually enjoyed this. It's kind of cool to look at certain pictures, because like, you know, Pokemon draws things differently based on where you get it from. Like, you know, cards are always like different art styles. The manga panels and the pages are always like, you know, different from like the anime and stuff like that. And obviously the video game 3D models, right? You know, those are different too. So this is Chikorita. I hope that this helped. I hope that you guys had a wonderful time with this. Again, this is my favorite Pokemon. Well, it's one of my favorite. You guys, I have a long list of favorite Pokemon. Like, there's a lot, right? There's a good amount. But Chikorita's on there, and Chikorita is probably my favorite. Actually, it is my favorite starter, so I don't know. Let me know what your favorite starter was. Let me know how this went for you guys. Let me know if you guys had fun, or if, at the very least, if you smiled at least one single time. It's worth it. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.